Tambay, may mga nangyayari ba sa buhay mo na parang, Lord, ano to? Hindi ko na gets. If yes, stay ka muna. You're not alone. Alam mo katambay, may mga season talaga na hindi mo maintindihan si Lord. Yung nag-pray ka pero opposite ang nangyari. Yung sumunod ka pero parang mas lalo ka pang napahamak. Yung naniwala ka pero na-delay pa rin yung breakthrough. Yung naghintay ka pero wala pa rin yung sagot. Yung nagmahal ka pero nasaktan ka. At dyan pumapasok yung tanong na hindi madaling aminin. Lord, bakit? Pero ito ang totoo. Just because you don't understand the plan doesn't mean God isn't working. Sabi sa Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. And in all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make your paths straight. Ang problema minsan, we lean on our own understanding. Pero limitado lang ang nakikita natin. Partial view lang tayo. Earth perspective. Si Lord, full picture, eternal timeline. Alam niya kung ano yung simula, gitna at ending. Lahat sabay-sabay. Kaya minsan, hindi mo talaga magets. Because what God is doing is bigger than your understanding. And in Isaiah 55:8-9, sabi niya, my thoughts are not your thoughts. My ways are higher than your ways. Ibig sabihin, if God's ways are higher, then sometimes it won't make sense, but it will make purpose. Isipin mo, puzzle. Kapag hawak mo ang isang peraso, hindi mo alam saan ilalagay. Hindi mo makita yung buong picture. Mukha siyang walang kwenta. Pero pag tinignan mo na yung buong box, aba, may larawan pala, may direksyon, may meaning. Ganyan din si Lord sa buhay mo, katambay. Hawak mo isang piece, siya hawak ang buong picture. Kaya minsan, hindi mo gets, pero siya gets lahat. Kung feelings ang susundin mo, matagal ka nang sumuko. Choose faith kahit shaky. Start asking why. Start asking who. Hindi laging makukuha ang sagot sa why, pero lagi kang safe sa who. At ang who na yun, si Jesus. Remember what God has already done. Kung nailigtas ka niya dati, kaya kanyang iligtas ngayon. Let go of the need to understand everything. You don't need clarity to obey. You need trust. Believe that delays and detours are divine. Minsan, yung roads that don't make sense lead to blessings that do. Kaya katambay, kung magulo ang buhay mo ngayon, kung hindi mo makita yung ginagawa ni Lord, kung hindi mo maintindihan bakit nangyayari ang lahat, listen closely. Just because it's unclear doesn't mean it's unplanned. Just because it hurts doesn't mean it's hopeless. Just because it doesn't make sense now doesn't mean it will never will. Minsan, kailangan mo lang sabihin, Lord, hindi ko gets, pero I trust you. And that, katambay, is the kind of faith that moves mountains. One day, you will look back and say, Lord, now I understand. Thank you for not giving me what I wanted, but giving me what I needed. Kapit lang. Your confusion is not the end. It's the middle of a miracle. God is still writing. And trust me, He knows exactly what He is doing.